Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily transfer money from Safepal to bank account. So all you have to do is head over to Safepal and of course log into your account. Then next, just choose the fiat currency that you want to send. Say for example, we're just going to choose BNB. Then from here, just click on send. And from here, you're going to need to enter address, space ID to your bank account that you want to send. And also enter in the amount. Then once done, just proceed by clicking on next. You might also be prompted to scan a QR code to your S1 wallet. Then once the transaction is verified, the balance should be transferred to your bank account. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!